Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to get the new Instagram update. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So you have some features that aren't available to you in your Instagram app, but are available to other people on Instagram. This may be because your Instagram isn't updated to the latest version. Now, to do so, you simply go ahead and visit your Play Store. On the search box of the Play Store that appears on the top of your screen, type Instagram. After doing so, you'll be able to see the Instagram app pop up on the top of your list. Tap on it. Now, if you have an update available, you would see an update button instead of the open button. You tap on it and wait for it to be updated. After it has updated, go ahead and tap on open, and then you'll be updated to the latest version of Instagram, and those features will be made available to you. And this is how you can get the newest Instagram updates. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.